8 reasons why native plants are always better to grow instead of a lawn. Gardening is my passion. Replacing lawns with native plants creates stunning landscapes and supports local ecosystems, blending beauty with ecological benefits. Native plants like eastern redbud and purple coneflower sustain local wildlife, offering food, shelter, and nesting while supporting ecological balance naturally. Native species excel in local climates, stabilizing soil with deep roots, requiring less water and fertilization, showcasing resilience and sustainability naturally. A diverse native garden forms habitats for insects and animals, enhancing biodiversity and ecosystem balance naturally. Native plants flourish locally, requiring minimal water and maintenance, resisting pests, reducing chemicals, blending beauty with benefits. Native plants enhance soil health by boosting nutrient cycling and water retention, transforming compacted soil into ecosystems. Switching to native plant gardens enhances biodiversity, conserves resources, discouraging invasive species, and supports local wildlife. Native plants offer vibrant seasonal colors, attract pollinators, support wildlife, and create resilient, visually delightful year-round gardens. Native plants naturally resist pests, reduce chemical use, and attract beneficial predators, promoting resilience and sustainability.